You know that's right.
What's up, YouTube land and entrepreneurs all across the world? It's your girl, ChinnaE, back to you again with another baby booming piggy bank site, okay? So basically, I have Cash Crate here, which is also as well known as Inbox Dollars is. You get paid to do surveys, get paid to play games, get paid to complete offers, you get paid to complete short little tasks on the site, get paid to watch videos and all that good stuff. This is another legitimate baby boomer piggy bank site you can add to your arsenal to make money. Okay, so with all these added up, as far as I gave you, with all these added up, if you make money from each and every one of them, you'll have a good little change coin purse. Okay, you'll have a good little coin purse going. Okay, so with Cash Crate, basically it's like the other sites. This is just another legitimate one to have in your arsenal, like I said. So get started with them as well. They're very good with what they do. I don't like, I'm just gonna be honest, I don't like somewhat the small change. It's like, it's kind of small here, but check it out, see if you like it, see if it works for you. Not everybody has the same opinion as me, so I don't expect you to, but that's why I would like for you to go check it out for yourself, see if this is what you like. If it's not, you can just pass it right up. I have more bigger stuff in store. I just wanted to get these little ones out the way first. I just wanted to get these little piggy bank sites out the way first. Okay, so this could be something for somebody teenager to do, you know, and make their little piggy bank grow while you get these bags that I'm finna give you to get later on in my other videos. I'll be showing you guys better sites, giving you guys better sites, legitimate sites where you can really make some bags of money. Okay, so right now I'm just getting out these little petty money sites and letting you guys know these are legit. You go ahead and keep them or put them in your arsenal. If you're already a member to these sites and you're not working from them, just pass up the video. It's okay. You're already a member. These are for people who have not joined or do not know about these sites and may be skeptical about joining these sites. And I'm here to let you guys know, don't be skeptical about joining the site because it is very legit. You can make money. You can't get paid. You just got to do the work. Okay? So go ahead, hit that link up down below, and follow me, like, subscribe. So, and remember, you haven't heard it till you heard it from me. It's your girl ChinnaE out here on these YouTube and internet streets, as you can see. So go ahead and hit that like and subscribe, and stay tuned because there is way more in store for you guys. Like I said, if you need help with certain things, don't hesitate to just comment, ask me, slide in my DMs, okay? and hit me up and let me know what is really good, what's really good, okay? So definitely, I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned. There's more. Peace.
You know that's right.